Replacement casters and wheels. This is a big business for us, and we keep our customers rolling with a large supply of different style casters for the different carts and different applications that you have that need replacements on the casters and wheels. They take a lot of abuse. So in this instance, this particular customer has carts that are going in and out of a powder coat booth, and so there is high heat and there's paint to deal with. So the key to this is we use a 6-inch by 2-inch steel wheel, swivel and rigid. They're getting 8 swivel, 8 rigid, just to replace out of the casters that they have now that are starting to fail and fatigue. The key to these casters is and all of our casters, they have zerk fittings in the axles. And that way you can shoot high temp grease or just grease in general into the axle, and it goes right into the straight roller bearings of the wheels. There's also a zerk fitting on the wheel itself, on the hub, that goes directly into the roller bearings. So you can keep those greased very easily and maintained. And there's also a zerk fitting on the swivel raceway that allows you to pump grease into the swivel race. And this is the swivel, this is the rigid. We do casters like this for customers all the time. This is a steel wheel, 6x2, gives you about 1,000+ pound capacity per caster. It's on a 4x4.5 top plate with a 3x3 bolt hole center spacing. And these are one of our most popular size replacement casters. We can do it in a multitude of different sizes, different types of wheels, and to meet any of your applications.